Hello, I'm Derrick, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I'm going to show you this fairly simple process on how I replace this toilet seat handle, so stay tuned.
Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date.
So I need to replace this handle because it's been around since I bought the house. It's a little mushy now when I flush it. Plus it's plastic and cheap. It was like the $5 one. And I want something a little sturdier, metal, so we're going to get started. Now first, you have to take this little nut off, and it's different. It's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey like you're used to. You have to do it the opposite way because when you flush it, you want to make sure it stays tight. So you're actually going to do clockwise to take it off. Oops. First you got to take this little clip off. Let's put it to the side for now. Unscrew this. Take that off like so. Just slide this out. Now note this is square, and then this is square too, so it'll fit right in there. Slide that in. And tight. And plus this is a lot heavier and sturdier than the one that was on there. It's mostly metal. Like I said, you're going to have to go counterclockwise to tighten it. Hand tighten it. And then I would take a pair of pliers, wrench, and then just do about a quarter of a turn. Don't need too much. There you go. And then now, you want to put the chain back on, but this chain is probably going to be too long. You want to make sure it doesn't hit the tank. I don't want to flush it, but it's going to be a little too high. So, and then what you want to do is just unclip this. I'm just going to make it a little shorter. This on. And then let's see how that flushes. Perfect. As you can see, it doesn't hit the top. We're good to go. That's all it takes. It's a very easy process, but if you have any questions, let me know. Also, I'll put a link below so you know which one I used. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care.